Oh, hi there, everyone. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl Norleen with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing another authentic Jamaican meal.
Now guys, you know this is another must try authentic Jamaican meal. It's gonna be epic, so stay with me.
If you're new to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Share my channel with your friends and invite them too to subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Share your thoughts about this video or suggest any other Jamaican meals that you
On the
like
cutting
to
board,
see
I
me
have a
prepare.
kilogram of cow tongue. I'm simply cleaning it and cutting it in my desired sections. If you've never included this meal in your diet, now is the perfect time to do so. Visit your local meat market and order you some cow tongue and follow this recipe, and you will have an immaculate meal to share with your family. So by now you know how I clean my meat and prepare it for cooking. If you have not seen any of my video, just go back to my channel and you will see I simply wash with vinegar, scald it in hot water, and then season with desired powdered seasoning. So I had some beef stock left over and I add about a cup to the pot. To that I added the beef tongue. I added 3 pimento leaves, some pimento berry, a chopped onion, and some thyme, and I add to that a teaspoon of browning. Shake it all together. Set the pot on pressure and pressure for about 30 minutes. While that is happening, I will share with you the food for thought. It comes to us from Isaiah 43 verse 2. It says, "When thou passest through the water, I will be with thee, and through the rivers they shall not overflow thee. When thou walkest through the fire, thou shalt not be burned, neither shall the flame kindle up on you." This is a lovely reminder that God is always with you. Alright, so I jump right back to the pot. I have my potatoes, onion, carrot, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, and 3 cloves of garlic that I chop in preparation for the stew. So guys, it's all done pressure, and I've poured off the stew in a separate pot, and to that I will add the chopped vegetables. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the beef tongue to the stew and stir.
Give me some thumbs up. Let me know that you're enjoying
Look at this,
my
guys.
channel.
If only you could smell how lovely this is.
If you'd like to see other Jamaican meals that I have prepared, touch this information icon. If you're celebrating an anniversary, a birthday, or any other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and a happy birthday from Wim's
A very
Kitchen.
happy birthday to my brother O'Shane, who is celebrating his birthday
A
today.
very extra special happy birthday to my niece Monique, who is celebrating her birthday this coming week. Auntie loves you, so enjoy your birthday to the fullest.
If you're still watching and you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so it's time to taste what's going on, and as usual, you know it's time to nice up the pot. So to finish off the dish, I will add about a handful of chopped vegetables, and this is just to add color and have some fresh, firm vegetable pieces in your mouth. Family and friends, you're gonna allow this to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and it is all done. So once again, it's another of my mother's favorite. She used to serve this to my dad on special occasion, or the special dish this where make all the magic happen. From my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table.
Tamanese, tell me about the cow tongue.
Compared to like other parts of the cow, you know, it's usually chewy. But the cow tongue, the texture is very smooth. And you put it in your mouth, it already melts away, you know, like the muscle.
Yeah.
Tastes good. The taste is immaculate. Never tasted anything like this before.
Oh, how much did I score it?
How much did I swear this? 11 out of 10.
Uh-oh. You heard it here, guys. It's her first time and she loves it.
Thank you for coming along with me in the kitchen where I did for you cooking Jamaican dishes Jamaican style.